How animals reproduce. Highlights of the lesson. Students will understand the importance of reproduction and types of reproduction. Learn about how animals reproduce by laying eggs or directly giving birth to young ones. Learn about life cycle of a hen, life cycle of a frog and life cycle of a butterfly. We learn. Viviparous animals are born from their mother's belly. Oviparous animals are born from an egg. Some animals lay eggs and some animals give birth to young ones. Living things do not live forever. They die after completing their lifespan. For life to go on, living things must produce more of their own kind. The process by which living beings produce more of their own kinds is called reproduction. Animals reproduce in different ways. Some animals give birth to babies while some other animals lay eggs. Animals that produce babies. Animals that give birth to babies and feed them on milk are called mammals. Human beings, tigers, dogs, horses and cats are some mammals. Mother animals feed their young ones on their own milk. Animals that give birth to babies which develop inside the mother's body are known as viviparous animals. The babies develop inside the mother's body for many weeks or months. Some mammals such as human beings, monkeys and cows generally give birth to one baby at a time. Sometimes, they give birth to two or more babies. Some other mammals such as dogs, cats and rats give birth to several babies at a time. A kangaroo with her baby. Puppies with their mother. Do you know? Some mammals such as duck-billed platypus and spiny anteater do not give birth to young ones. They lay eggs and are called monotremes. Care of the young ones. When the babies of mammals are born, they are weak and helpless. Usually, the mother takes care of her babies. She feeds them and protects them from enemies. In some mammals, such as monkeys and wolves, the father also takes care of the babies. He guards and protects them from enemies. Animals that lay eggs. Animals such as birds, frogs, fishes, turtles, lizards, crocodiles, snakes, cockroaches, butterflies and mosquitoes reproduce by laying eggs. Animals that lay eggs are known as oviparous animals. Eggs of different animals vary in size, shape and color, etc. Birds. Birds lay eggs. Most of them build nests to lay eggs and take care of their babies. Birds usually lay a number of eggs. In most cases, the mother bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. This helps the baby bird to grow inside the egg. The eggs of all birds have a similar internal structure. There is an outer shell that protects the egg. At the center of the egg lies the yolk. It is yellow in color. It contains the growing baby called the embryo, say embryo, which develops into the chick. The yolk contains food for the embryo. Around the yolk is a white glue-like liquid called the albumin, say albumin. It protects the embryo and supplies food and water to the embryo. Parts of an egg. Do you know? The eggs of an ostrich are the largest eggs. An ostrich egg can weigh over 1 kilogram. Let us learn how a chick comes out of an egg. The mother hen sits on the egg to keep it warm by the warmth of the body. This is called incubation. After a few weeks, the chick comes out by breaking the shell. This is called hatching. The parent birds feed and protect the chick until it can look after itself. Frogs. A female frog lays hundreds of eggs in water. These eggs are covered by a jelly-like slippery material. A floating clump of eggs is called spawn. When the eggs hatch, tiny baby frogs called tadpoles come out of them. A tadpole has a tail and looks like a fish. It swims in water and eats water plants. Later, it grows legs. The tail also becomes shorter and disappears finally. Gradually, the tadpole changes into an adult frog. This process in which the tadpole changes into a frog is called metamorphosis. Life cycle of a frog. Insects. Insects also reproduce by laying eggs. However, baby insects hatch from eggs and undergo different stages of development. When the babies of insects such as cockroaches, grasshoppers and termites hatch, they look like the parent insects, but they do not have wings. They are called nymphs. The nymph of a cockroach looks like an adult cockroach, but it does not have wings. It sheds its skin several times. The shedding of skin before the new one grows is called molting. After molting many times, the nymph changes into an adult. In insects such as butterflies, houseflies and moths, the baby insect looks different from the parent insect. Life cycle of a butterfly. The larva of a butterfly looks like a worm and is called a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats leaves and grows. It then makes a shell around its body. This shell is called a cocoon. The caterpillar grows inside the cocoon. This stage is called the pupa. The caterpillar sheds its skin many times. Finally, a butterfly comes out of the cocoon. Thus, different stages exist in the life cycle of an insect between hatching and adulthood. The process in which the young one of a butterfly and a frog changes to its adult form in two or more separate stages is called metamorphosis. Life cycle of a butterfly. Some other egg-laying animals. Fishes lay thousands of eggs in water at a time. Young fishes hatch from the eggs. Many eggs and young fishes are unprotected and are eaten by other fishes. Some fishes such as catfishes guard their eggs from their enemies. Some other fishes such as jawfishes carry their developing babies in their mouth. Animals such as lizards, snakes, and turtles lay their eggs on the ground. They do not take care of their eggs. Many of them are eaten by other animals. A female crocodile digs a hole in the ground and lays eggs. She then covers the eggs with dirt. After 2 or 3 months, the young ones are ready to hatch. The mother crocodile removes the dirt and helps the young ones to come out. Fish with eggs. Young turtle hatching. Young crocodile hatching. Let's recall. The process by which animals produce their young ones is called reproduction. Animals reproduce by giving birth to babies or by laying eggs. Animals that give birth to their young ones and feed them on milk are called mammals. Animals such as birds, frogs, fishes, turtles, lizards, crocodiles, snakes, cockroaches, butterflies, and mosquitoes reproduce by laying eggs. Glossary. Reproduction. The process by which living things produce their young ones. Nymph. A young insect that looks like the parent insect. Molting. Shading of skin by animals. Larva. A young one that looks different from the parent animal. Incubation, development of embryo within the egg under favorable condition. Metamorphosis. The process in which some insects and frogs undergo changes from their young form to an adult form in 2 or more separate stages.